Aftermath of
Alright,
slavery.
so even though
Part
I've been
13A,
talking mostly
personal
about United
jurisdiction.
States law, this is generally universal. You simply have to look at the laws of your country in order to make the collaboration between the different jurisdictions around the world. So today we're going to cover personal jurisdiction and why it is necessary to declare personal jurisdiction and make sure that there is no assumed jurisdiction over your natural person body. And there are many people out there who will tell you that declaring personal jurisdiction is not necessary, and I will go over why I believe it is absolutely necessary to take these steps. Okay, first and foremost, jurisdiction means what one authority has over a subordinate or a lower authority, right? So if someone is standing over you, it is typically assumed that the person above has jurisdiction over the person below. So personal jurisdiction, or the assumption of jurisdiction, is not confined to the purview of a court. Sometimes we run into others who infer or assume personal jurisdiction over us, like a police officer or some person in a government building or many other different places that we do business with. Let's take a look at the definition of personal jurisdiction. Personal jurisdiction refers to the power that a court has to make a decision regarding the party being sued in a case. Before a court can exercise power over a party, the U.S. Constitution requires that the party has certain minimum contacts with the forum in which the court sits. In this court case, International Shoe versus Washington, 326 U.S. 310, 1945. So if the plaintiff sues a defendant, that defendant can object to the suit by arguing that the court does not have personal jurisdiction over the defendant. Now, what this basically means is that if a defendant or a person defending against a lawsuit simply confirms that the court has no jurisdiction over them in order to make a decision regarding the outcome of a dispute, then the court no longer has the power to try to determine the facts or to make a decision on a case that is put before them. So always challenge jurisdiction.